Siemens US2 VC30GRYHW VersiCharge hardwired, VC30GRYHW, fast charging, easy installation, flexible controlled, award-winning, all listed, J1772 compatibility, 14 feet cable, hardwired. Quicker charging, 30 amps, 240 V, level 2, 4x faster charging than level 1, 120 V chargers. Operating temperature -30 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. Easier setup, includes convenient mounting bracket, 14 feet charging cable, and hardwired installation, electrician recommended. Flexible control, pause and 2/4 6/8 hour delay functions built into the front of the charger. Operating humidity, maximum 95% non-condensing. Built to last, industry-leading 3-year warranty for indoor use, and manufactured in California. Universal compatibility, works with all J1772 compliant cars and also Tesla vehicles using Tesla's charging adapter. Award-winning, rated as the Wirecutter's best EV charging station of 2017. A name you can trust, Siemens has been a technology leader for over 170 years. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.